This is how we crane up a new system to a commercial roof. While the lift and install go quick, there are hours of extra planning and detail that go into this. After the crane is all set up in the appropriate location, we have to strap up the units for a safe flight. We remove the old unit first so it's out of the way. We drop it in a truck and it's ready to head out for recycling. Now, the new system can be set in the existing location but on new mounts. In just a few hours, they'll have a completely new system installed.